Crazy Rusty. It cost us a lot of sprints in my room. Yet sometimes he had a bad attitude, but guys, I'm telling you what, he led my team in pins his freshman, sophomore, junior, and senior year. He was a freak, all with this move. All right, guys, I had David Taylor, Zach Nyberg, Felipe Martinez. I had some big guns on my team, and this guy led my team in pins. Now, guys, the thing I like about this, here's how I yelled out: snap, left hand front headlock. We went through a front headlock yesterday. Most people in here front headlock with their right hand. That means my right hand's on the chin. You guys with me? I like to penetrate to my right knee. So that's why I like to go to left hand front headlock. That means my left hand is going to be on the chin in the front headlock. All right? My left hand will never leave his chin until the ref slaps him out. The thing I like about this move, guys, you end up with this right here. You end up with a cement shot. Love this move. Guys, I bet we average 75 to 100 pins a year off this move. How do we get there? Real simple, guys. I've got an inside tie collar tie. Do not make this difficult. We've been wrestling this tie up all week. From here, I drop my left hand down. Here, and then I snap. I snap, and I come right here to a left hand front headlock. Also, I'm in a position, guys, I've got a collar tie right hand. Left hand's on the chin, the front headlock. I come to a position a lot of people call the pinch or the clamp. Some people call it a football tie. All right? From here, snap. Left hand front headlock. From here, the next thing I'm going to tell you is the whole key to the move. I'm going to plant my right foot. I'm going to step back. Listen to these next words. I will shove him away. I have to create space here. He's always going to lift his head up. Plant my right foot, I step back, I shove him away, I create space to here. I just have to let go of his head. Drop your hands real quick next to me, see? Once I step back, you see the space. Now, guys, my chin is going to take the place of my collar tie. As I step back and shove him away, guys, I'm going to explode. My chin's going to come right to the back of his neck, my shoulder's going to go deep, and I'm going to pick this knee right. Hey guys, what's amazing is the penetration step I hit. Everyone thinks it's the knee over the toe. It's not. It's an angle knee drop. Remember the angle knee drop, guys? Angle knee drop. Here, I do a 90. It's the exact penetration step I'm going to hit. Snap! Left hand front headlock. I'm tight. Post my right foot, step back, shove him away, and then guys, I explode. Here. Chin comes back to his neck. Do the angle knee drop, and I'm going to pick Nick's right leg. Guys, I'm not driving Nick this direction. Don't take him that way at all. I'm going to drop him right here to his right hip. Watch what's going to happen when we hit. Oh, guys, I don't do this. Don't let his head slide out. I don't want that head to come out. All right? Elbows in. My body weight come down on his head. I drop the right foot to his hip. Once he hits his hip, my right elbow is inside of his left elbow. I let go of the leg, drive right up on top with a cement jump. This move right here has been our biggest pinning move. We love it. Snap! Left hand front headlock. Post, step back, and then I explode. Chin comes back to his neck, penetrate in, drop him to his hip. A lot of guys ask, Coach, can you go to the cradle? Why? I can. I'm just telling you, this is much tighter when I drive up and have his head. Hey, the biggest mistake I'm going to see people make, I see it all the time. The reason why they can't get this is because they don't shove the guy away. I see it all the time. They do this right here. They snap. They have a left hand front headlock. They post the right foot. Everything's good. They step back and they pull the person down. They do this here. They step back. Good. Grab elbows there. They step back and do this. Pull the guy down. Guys, my right hand is trapped between my chest and the back of his neck. I can't get my arm out to shoot it through. You guys see that? You have to shove the guy away. You have to do that. Snap. Left hand front headlock. Step back. I explode. Right here. Mickey, first round of the national tournament. Coach Mickey, this year he had a guy from Northwestern. The kid's name was Shane Oster. First round of the national tournament. Mick's first round, I'm nervous, his head. Mick goes out, hits him in head inside single cutback. Shoves him away. Another head inside single cutback. Shoves him away. Next thing you know, guys, Mick's winning 4-2. Mick comes out. He likes to do it right hand. All right, he penetrates to his left knee. Right, Mick came out and did this snap. Right hand front headlock, step back, and shot through. Picked here. Toe goes to right down. Mick finished with a cement job and pinned it. Who's got a good one? Kobe, hop on out here.